Hi everyone, in this video, we show you how to embed a YouTube video in Canva. Insert YouTube video in Canva. Start by opening the Canva application in your system or going to its official website. Once you're here, click on the Create a Design button. Go to Customize Size and select 1000 by 1000. Click on the Create New Design button to proceed. From this page, click on Apps from your left menu. Now scroll down and you will see the option of Embed here. You can also search for it from the search bar. Now click on this option. After that, click on Open from here. Go ahead and paste the link of the YouTube video that you want to insert here. Or you can click on YouTube. It will paste the general link to YouTube. To attach the video, just drop its link and this is how it will look on your Canva design. Thanks everybody for watching. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. Goodbye.